Once upon a time in a faraway village, there lived a very clever cock. This cock belonged to a farmer who kept him in a coop with all his other chickens. When he left, a sly fox came up to the coop and started to look around. He was hungry and he was hoping to find a nice chicken to gobble up. The fox looked through the window and saw the chickens pecking around, but they were all too quick for him. Just then, he saw the cock standing on top of the roost, looking out into the farmyard. The fox thought to himself, "If I can't get the chickens, I might as well get the cock." So he walked up to the coop, looked in and said to the cock, "Hey there, Mr. Cock, what are you doing up there?" The cock looked down at him and said, "I'm just taking a little exercise, Mr. Fox. You know, keeping your body strong and healthy is very important." The fox was taken aback by the cock's quick wit and intelligence. He had expected the cock to be scared of him, but instead the cock was giving him a lesson on fitness. The fox thought for a moment and then he said, "Well, you're right, Mr. Cock. I should take better care of myself. It's not good to be lazy, you know." The cock nodded his head and said, "That's quite right, Mr. Fox. It's always important to be active and healthy." The two of them stood there talking about the importance of exercise and healthy living until the farmer came back with the corn. When he opened the coop door and saw the fox, he chased him away. The cock strutted around the farmyard, proud of himself for outsmarting the fox. The fox, on the other hand, was ashamed of himself for almost getting tricked. He knew that he should have been more aware and not fallen for the cock's clever words. From that day on, the fox never tried to trick the cock again, and they lived together in the farmyard in peace. But this cock was no ordinary bird. He was very clever and sharp-witted, and so he would often outsmart the other animals that lived on the farm. One day, the farmer left the coop door open and went into the village to buy some corn.